Bonjour, Chef Stéphane, Technical Director of Sunway, le Cordon Bleu Malaysia. Bonjour. So today let's discuss about the difference between the plant-based program versus our classic cuisine, pastry and bakery program. The same format as our classic courses, demonstration session followed by a practical session. This program will also include field trip. We'll go to visit farm, we'll go to visit a temple in Melaka that will be cooked by local people based on vegan product. And also we've been to the Borneo market in Kuala Lumpur. And very interesting in cuisine also, it will be a buffet that the students, they will replicate about 20 lessons they've seen during their program to invite their family, their guests to come to try their food.